What's up and welcome back to the garage. I keep my promises. This is the old one, the old Chevy's ignition switch, and look what I just got. This is the new one, or at least it should be. Next I will unbox this new switch and then I'm gonna install it into the Chevy. Okay, let's unbox this ignition switch. Here's the switch and instructions. And if I compare these two, at least they seems to be exact the same. The size is the same, and if I compare these pins, they look like they are just right. Yeah, that's great. So next I just have to install this new one into the Chevy. The ignition switch is now installed, and I connected all the wires and connectors, so it's okay. Only problem is this poor battery. In this Chevy there used to be also two batteries, one in here in the engine bay and the second under the car. But my father, who was the previous owner, he had to take the battery away because it rusted away the bracket of that battery, so there's only wires left, no battery. So this car works only by this one battery at the moment, and because it's poor, I'm in big trouble. But now I'm charging the battery. I even tried to use my spare battery, but there is not enough juice either, so we can't start this engine today. But I will show you that the ignition switch is working now properly. So let's go in. I have the multimeter here, and I put it in the ground, and there's the meter, and there's the glow block controller here, and this wire should be hot. As you can see, there's 8.1 something. As you can see, the battery is quite dead because it's only 8 volts. And in this pin, if you have watched my earlier videos, you can see the picture. So this is pin D, and it's the sense from the ignition switch. So when I turn the ignition switch, this pin should give me the same voltage as this pin. And as you can see now, the ignition is switched off. There's no numbers, no voltage. And now when I'm turning the key, you can see, you cannot see, you can hear the click. Yeah, because this ignition glow block controller went on and off, but we should have here some voltage. Oh yes, as you can see, only 7 point something. But now I can say that I have fixed the problem. So now this glow block controller gets the sense from the ignition switch. So I'm ready to bet even some money that I have found the reason why this car didn't glow the blocks. Now I just have to charge these 2 batteries, and I almost can promise that I will start this car tomorrow. At least now it glows the blocks, so it should start tomorrow. And remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and please give your comments below. Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.